In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom clickable email signature for Gmail. If you want a clean professional signature that includes both text and an image, the good news is that Gmail lets you build one directly inside your settings. You don't need any special software, and the whole process is pretty straightforward once you know where everything is. To get started, open Gmail on your computer. In the top right corner, click the gear icon. Then choose See All Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize your Gmail account. From here, scroll down until you find the Signature section. This is where you will create and manage the signature that appears at the bottom of your emails. Click Create New to make a new signature. Gmail will ask you to give it a name. This name is just for your own reference, so you can choose something simple and easy to recognize. Once that's done, you will be taken to the signature editor. Now it's time to build your signature. Type in the contact details you want to include, such as your name, job title, company name, website, or any other information you want people to see when they receive your emails. Keep it neat and easy to read, so it looks polished and professional. If you want to add a logo or profile picture, click the Insert Image icon in the Signature toolbar. Upload the image you'd like to use. A clear, well-sized image usually works best, especially if you want the signature to look good on different screen sizes. Next, make your signature clickable. If you want to link text, use your mouse to highlight the words you want people to click. If you want to link an image, click directly on the image instead. Then click the link icon, which looks like a chain. At the top of the signature box, in the link field, type the destination you want that text or image to open. This could be a website address or an email address depending on what you want the clickable element to do. After entering the link, click Apply. Then under Signature Defaults for new emails, use under dropdown select your newly created signature. Next on Reply or Forward, use under dropdown select your newly created signature. Once everything looks the way you want, scroll all the way to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This part is important because if you leave the page without saving, your new signature won't be kept. After that, click Compose to open a new email and test your clickable signature. Make sure the text and image appear correctly and that the link works the way you expect. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.